It's Sunday, and we're in the drive-thru for Steak and Shake. What's the mall? Just my mom. With my mom. I'm waiting for my drugs that I want. Coke. Oh, they came. Shots.
You saw the first clip. It was 5 o'clock on the dot. I've been up since then. That's a lie. I've been up since before 5 o'clock. This is ridiculous. I took a nap around 7. Around 7. And then didn't get up till like 8, 9. Went back to sleep. Then wake up to 1, and I've been up since then. This is a problem. I don't sleep properly. I've been up for a while. This is ridiculous. But I thought I'd be productive. So I partially made my bed. I fixed the cover, but I'm gonna fix it, really fix it. But I just want to say, I hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna try to start working out in the morning times if I wake up in time. Cause Lord knows I don't. And if I don't do it in the morning, I do it late at night, at midnight. Cause I'm still up at the time because I don't have a proper sleep schedule set. But we're gonna try to work out, and I might get a little bit of that, but honestly, I don't know if it's gonna work out because I feel like I look ridiculous because I have a 5 o'clock alarm, I have a 5:30 alarm, and then I have a 6 o'clock alarm. And to be honest, I just be sleeping through all of them, and I don't get to. Sometimes I don't get up to 6:30, but I'm up. So like I said, I'm gonna try to be productive. I'm gonna try to work out. All right. So we're gonna play some more music. I'm gonna link all the songs that you hear in the video down below. But my next stretch is kind of okay. So it's you sit open legged and then you lean forward. It's pretty explanatory. And I hold that for 5 minutes. I do sit up sometimes because it does get a little bit painful. That's what I do with all my stuff. I take a break because it does hurt and I don't want to hurt myself. So if you have to, just take a break. But yeah, I'm gonna do that next. This vlog is gonna be interesting. Very, very interesting. Pray for me. I was It's currently 6:03 and I'm done with my workout. Not used to doing these in the morning. During school year, don't do these in the morning. I try to do them at night. Keyword try. Sometimes it happens, sometimes it doesn't. But I don't usually do them in the morning. But yeah, now it's time to get ready for the day because it's Monday.
Okay, so Tuesday I had school. Monday, I had school. And then also on Tuesday, my uncle surprised us by coming up here to where we are from where he was. And he also brought my cousin. So we got to spend time with them over this Thanksgiving weekend. And it was so lovely.
Wednesday, I hung out with my uncle. My nana and I baked. So, because we're getting ready for, Thursday, which was Thanksgiving. Yeah, we baked like 3 cakes. I made brownies. We did a lot of stuff. When Thursday rolled around, around 2 o'clock, family started to come over because that was the time planned to start eating. So yeah, we just prepared anything that we were gonna have that day. Some others brought some stuff, and then we just, had our prayer, and then we ate. We had 2 deep fried turkeys, and then 1 traditional turkey with dressing with it. It was good. I burned my hand on Thursday because, it just happens. I burned my hand. It's okay. It's fine now, but it hurt a lot Thursday. And, Friday was Black Friday, sale, sale, sale. We stayed home. I wanted to go to the store, but, we stayed home. But that's okay because we went to the store on Saturday. We went to one store. I've never been to the store prior to this. But I got some clips of it, so you'll see that. You'll see what all of that is on Saturdays. Because we're at IKEA. Get out of the picture, Mom. It's a video. And IKEA.
IKEA.
This is $60. That's not bad.
It's a big mirror though.
I know, it's nice.
Like
Full body.
it can actually fit my whole height, so that's cool.
I know. Put this in the video.
Papa must be struggling to find mirror.
So, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you had a great day. I hope yesterday was decent, up tomorrow is even better. And I would just like to say from me to you, if today is your day, happy birthday. Smile, make somebody stay brighter. And let me know if you like these, like it by week instead of by day. Because honestly, it's easy on me to just go by week. That's how it might be for next year. We might go by week unless there's something important that happens on a day. And for Vlogmas, I feel like I'm gonna go by week because I feel like that's gonna be a whole lot easier. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Bye.